12th Science Chapter 8 The D and F block elements Part 5 Lengthenoid contraction and its consequences. Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube video, like and subscribe it for further notification. Today we will study about lengthenoid contraction, its causes and consequences. First of all, how do we define this term lengthenoid contraction? The decrease in size of atoms across lengthenoid series is termed as lengthenoid contraction. So when we move from lanthanum to lutetium, atomic size decreases. This decrease in size across this lengthenoid series is known as lengthenoid contraction. Now, what are the causes for this lengthenoid contraction? As the atomic number increases, from lanthanum to lutetium, the electrons are again and again added into the same 4f orbital, and because of very poor shielding effect or screening effect of 4f electrons, as you already know, 4f electrons are having unfavorable shapes and orientation. So because of that, even though there are more number of electrons, they do not repel among each other. So therefore 4f electron shows very poor shielding effect. And due to this very poor shielding effect of 4f electrons, the nucleus is able to attract the outer electrons, resulting into contraction in atomic size. And so we can say that the atomic size decreases across the lengthenoid series, and this is known as lengthenoid contraction. What are the consequences of these lengthenoid contraction? Consequences. With the increase in principal quantum number, the electrons are every time added into the same 4f shell. This leads to extreme similarities in properties across the lengthenoid series, and their separation becomes difficult in the pure state. Separation becomes difficult. In pure state. The next consequences of this lengthenoid contraction is that the effect of this lengthenoid contraction is felt by the elements even beyond the lengthenoid series. For example, you consider group 4A, titanium, zirconium, hafnium. If you consider this group, titanium, zirconium, hafnium, you will notice that the atomic radii of zirconium is 160 picometers, whereas the atomic radii of hafnium is 159 picometers. We have already studied that as we move from top to bottom in a group, atomic size increases. But you can see here, the atomic size is decreasing. That means the effect of lengthenoid contraction is felt even beyond this lengthenoid series. Here there is lanthanum, atomic number 57, and hafnium is having atomic number 72. So in between this is the lengthenoid series. So the effect of this is being felt by hafnium also. And the next consequences which is being felt by the elements is that due to lanthanoid contraction there is small decrease in basic strength of oxides and hydroxides across the lanthanoid series. Now, what is the reason for this decrease in basic strength of oxides and hydroxides across the lanthanoid series? As the size is decreasing across the lanthanoid series, so as a result of this, the covalent character of the hydroxides, it increases. That means when you are moving, the ionic character decreases and the covalent character increases due to increase in the tendency of sharing electrons. Reason, there is contraction in size. So when we move from left to right across the lanthanoid series, the covalent character increases, which results in decrease in the basic strength of oxides and hydroxides.